Hey beauties, so let's get into this drip. I achieved this super cute hair and makeup duo in less than 30 minutes. I used for the makeup this infamous palette by Juvia's Place. Y'all, this is the truth. I love this palette so much, just like the company period. Like, their stuff is so amazing. So I achieved this look using this palette. It was super quick, super easy. Literally all I did was put on some eyeshadow, some concealer, some lashes real quick, put my hair in a cute little top knot bun, and I'm ready to roll. So if you want to see how I achieved this super cute, super sleek, super quick makeup and hair look, keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to your girl down below. Let's get into this look, honey. Alright, so I'm first starting with my hair, and I'm just starting on old straight hair. So to start, I'm just going to use my eyebrows as a guide and part my hair into a small section at the top of my head. And then with that section, I'm just going to take a rubber band and make a high ponytail. Also just going to give it a little pull to make sure it's in place. And this is definitely a style, but I decided to go with a top knot bun at the top. So I'm just going to twist my hair at the end a little bit and wrap it around, and then use a rubber band and bobby pin to secure it. And this is what my bun looks like when I'm done. I love a top knot bun, something cute, a little messy. So now I'm just going to take my edge control and use this to lay down my edges. So I'm first just going to take my toothbrush and kind of form my edges how I want them to go. And then I'm going to go in with that edge control and just lay my edges down. If you would like to see a full tutorial on how I lay my baby hair, I will include that link down below in the description box. Alright honey, now these edges is laid, so I'm just going to take my satin scarf and use that to tie my edges down, and I'm just going to let my edges sit while I work on my makeup. Now for the most exciting part, onto the makeup. So I've already done my eyebrows, and now I'm just going to take some concealer, and this is just a lighter shade concealer, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid and blend that in with a brush. And I do this just so that when I apply my eyeshadow, it gives it a little more pop. Now I'm going to take my palette, this amazing Juvia's Place palette, and I decided to do something a little different. Oh, look at how beautiful this palette is, y'all. So I'm taking this blue shade, and I'm just going to apply that kind of in the crease of my eyelid. So I'm taking a bigger brush, and I'm really just kind of applying this blue shade in the crease of my eyelid. And for the purposes of the video, I did kind of speed this whole process up, but just to let you guys know, anytime I do my eyeshadow, I at least like to go over the color 2 times. So while I'm doing this color in the crease, I'm going to do this twice, just to kind of give the color more of a dramatic look. See, here I am putting the second layer on now, and as you can see, it really just gives that blue color more of a pop. So next I'm going to go in with this darker blue, and I'm going to apply that with a smaller brush in the crease. The smaller brush kind of allows me to control the eyeshadow a little bit more and not have it as full as the other blue, but make sure that I'm really just keeping it in that crease. And again, I'm going to go over this color 2 times. So next I'm going to take a lighter shade concealer and I'm going to apply it to my eyelid again just before I go over this last coat, just to make sure that that blue really pops. So after I've blended my concealer, I'm going to go back in with that first blue that I used, and look at how it, like, that concealer, y'all, it makes such a difference. Like, if I wouldn't put that concealer on, this blue would not have popped like that. So I'm just going to do my 2 coats of this blue. Then I'm going to take this shimmery champagne color and apply it to the inner corner of my lid just to give my eyes more of a pop. I also decided to go ahead and do a wing liner just to give my eyes more of that dramatic look and pop on some lashes. And honey, I am feeling this look. This blue is something that I usually don't go for, but I'm loving it. So now I'm going to go in with my Milani concealer and just apply that underneath my eye, and also use my contour and blend. Excuse me while I jam out. Clearly I'm feeling myself a little bit. That's what that Juvia's Place palette do to you. What can I say? So after concealing, applying my eyeshadow, all that jazz, this is the final look. Lastly, I'm just going to do my lips. So I'm just going to do something simple since my eyes are popping, and I'm just going to go in with my brown lip liner and kind of line my lips, and also kind of shade in the outer part of my lip, I guess you would call it. I don't know. And then I'm just going to take my finger and blend that pencil in, and then apply some lip gloss. I wanted to do something simple because my eyes are already popping, and this is the final look. I absolutely love this blue. Like I said, this is something different, out of my element, but I'm loving this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this palette as much as I do. Look at that blue, honey. Ooh, Lord. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to your girl, head over to Juvia's Place and get that palette, and I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces, loves. Oh, and before I go, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know if you've used Juvia's Place. See y'all later. Deuces.